Welcome viewers, in this video we will see the essential prime implicant in the Karnaugh map K map. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notifications. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. Link is given in the description box. Now we'll go to the topic essential prime implicants. In the Karnaugh map we are plotting the given Boolean function. After plotting the given Boolean function, we can go for grouping of cell in order to simplify the expression. The main objective is to simplify the given Boolean function using the K map. So after plotting, we can go for grouping. So while grouping, we can identify which are all the essential prime implicant and which are all the prime implicants. There are two types available, prime implicant and essential prime implicant. Essential prime implicant means there is no other way. Only one possible way is available for grouping. That is called essential prime implicants. Only one possibility of grouping of the elements are called essential prime implicants. Prime implicant means there are two or more than one possible ways are available. We can group with either this cell or that cell. That is called a prime implicant. So we will see this. What is the? We will explain. We will see the full explanation what is essential prime implicant and what is the prime implicant with an example. So after plotting the K map, after grouping the cell, the sum term which appears in the K map are called a prime implicant groups. So after grouping all the terms, some terms are called as a prime implicant. So we need to cover all the terms so that it is called a prime implicant group. It is observed that some cell may appear in only one prime implicant group, which other cells may appear in more than one prime implicant group, right? So some of the cell can be grouped in only one group, but some of the cell can be grouped in either this group or that group, right? So that is given. So after grouping, we can observe some cells are appear in only one group, some cell appear in more than one group, right? So in this diagram, we can say refer the diagram so that you are able to understand. So this is a 4 variable K map available. 4 variable A, B, C, D, right? The A, B is plotted in vertical manner. C, D plotted in horizontal manner. So A, B having 2 variables. So there are 4 possibilities are available. A bar, B bar, A bar, B, A, B, A, B bar. That is 0, 0. 0 means A bar. This 0 means B bar. Then 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Right. So this 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 available in the 4th row. 1, 1 available in the 3rd row. There is a interchange between 3rd row and 4th row. Similarly, CD having 2 variable, 4 possibilities are available. 4 possible combination. C bar, D bar, C bar, D, CD, CD bar. That is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. So here also there is a interchange between the 3rd column and 4th column. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 appear in the 4th column, 1, 1 appear in the 3rd column, right? So there are 6 terms available. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This plotted with 6 terms. This K map plotted with 6 terms. That is this 0, 1, 2, 3 that indicates the min term. These red color numbers are nothing but a min terms. That is 0, 1, 2, 3. There is an interchange between 3rd and 4th column. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So there is an interchange between 3rd and 4th row also, right? So the given function can be plotted either referring this A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar or by referring the min term, right? So here the min term 0 is plotted 1, min term 1 is 1, 4, 8, 9 and 10, right? So these 6 terms are available, right? In this we need to identify which is the essential prime implicant and which are all the prime implicants, right? See this cell number 1, this 1 as well as 4, then 9, 10. So it is grouped in only one group. This 1 is grouped only this. These 4, these 2 ones and these 2 ones are grouped together. That is top and bottom, right? So this one is appear in only one group. This one also appear in only one group. And these 2 ones are grouped together, left and right. Left corner and right corner. In this one is appear only in this group. But This one is appear in the this one is appear in both the groups. These two are also grouped, right? These two ones also grouped together. So this one is appear in this green color line as well as blue color line, blue color grouping. Similarly, this one also available in this green color grouping as well as red color grouping, right? So this 0 and 8, that is min term 0 and min term 8 is coming under prime implicant. It is available more than one group, but this 1, 4, 9 and 10. See, these four terms are available in only one group. That's a essential prime implicant. There is no other way, right? Available in only one group. That's why it is coming under the essential prime implicants, right? So I will explain again. There are 6 terms available: 0, 1, 4, 8, 9 and 10. So these two ones and these two ones are grouped together. Grouping of 4 cells, top and bottom. These two and these two are grouped together, so that we are grouping 4 cells, referring the top and bottom. Similarly, these two ones are grouped together, right and left corners. Then these two ones are also grouped together. So there are 3 groups are available. The group of green color line group of 4 cell, red color line group of 2 cell, blue color line group of 2 cell. In that, this 1 is available in only one group. This 4 available in only one group. This 9 available in only one group. This 10 available in only one group. So that this cell 1, 4, 9, 10 are called as a prime, essential prime cell, also is called a essential prime implicants. Then this 0, the min term 0 and min term 8 available in both the groups, either this available in green color grouping as well as blue color grouping. This 8 available in green color grouping as well as red color grouping. So that it is called a prime implicant. The cell available in more than one group is called a prime implicant. The cell available only one group is called a prime, is essential prime implicant, right? We will see the description. So in the diagram, diagram shown below, the cell 1, 4, 9 and 10 appear in only one prime implicant group. These cells are called as essential cell and corresponding prime implicants are called essential prime implicants, right? This 1, 4, 9, 10 appear only one prime implicant. That's are called a essential cell. Then their prime implicants are called essential prime implicants, right? This 0 and 8, this 0 and 8 is available in both the groups. So that is called a prime implicant, right? So in this video we discuss about after plotting the K map, after grouping, we can easily identify which are all the prime implicant and which are all the essential prime implicants, right? Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. Link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening.